So now if you are a web developer, or if you are working as a mobile application developer, also if you are working as a SEO person, you're definitely familiar with the WebP. Okay, so if you are using the high-res images or the images without the WebP, definitely you will face a lot of problems, performance problem, user experience problem, and also you will lose a lot of organic traffic, especially if you talk about the SEO, because if you are not using the compressed images or the images with the WebP, you definitely lost the organic. Why? Because Google recommend that you have to use the WebP images or the images with the compressed size. Okay, so we have the solution. So let's suppose if you have thousands of images, and if you want to convert those images by using the drag and drop without installing any kind of software or without using any tool. So just go to the images to WebP. As you can see, this is the sections where you can drag and drop the images. So if you here, as you can see, before conversion, so 150 KB image, same image after the conversion you have 17. So as you can see, this is a 17 KB. So right click, inspect element. So now as you can see, this is, it's showing you the 150 KB. Okay, so go to this image. So this image, as you can see, it's showing 17.2 KB image. It's a huge difference if you talk about the space. Okay, so as you can see, the quality is the same. So you have the transparent background. Make sure this is the PNG file, this is the PNG or the WebP file or the converted file. Quality is the same, as you can see. Okay, so now let's try it. Okay, so now I'm going to select this one. So this is a logo. As you can see, it's 54.1 KB logo. Break and drop. Converted 54.2 KB logo. Converted or compressed, or you saved 83.42. If you're using this tool to convert your images to the WebP, you will save 80 or 90%. So okay, download this image after the conversion. So as you can see, this is the WebP. It's just a 9 KB image. So if you talk about 54 KB and 9 KB. Okay, so let's do it with the high res image. So now, as you can see, this is the high res image, DSLR image, 4.73 MB image. Drag and drop. Wait for a few seconds. One system uploaded this file and compressed this file, because if you have the image which have more than 4 MB, then definitely it takes time to upload and compress the images, especially your internet speed also involved. Okay, so you have compressed, saved 80%. So the image was 4.74 MB, new file size is 975 KB. Download this bad boy or the image. This is the WebP image we have just converted. Okay, so 975 KB. Open this one. Okay, check out the quality. The quality is the same. So check out the quality. So this is 110% zoom. Okay, just 975. So let's suppose I'm going to upload a lot of files. So it's 385 or 38, not 385. Okay, so now it's converting. Saved. Also, it's super fast. Make sure this is a paid account, so that's why it's processing 6 images at the same time. So if you have a free account, you will only use, or you will only compress or the convert 2 images at the same time. So as you can see, it's sending 6 images to the server or to be compressed. 5.77 MB image, 73% saved or reduced, 1.55. So as you can see, you can download one by one from here. Once you have compressed all the images, just click on the download all images to download the images. Okay, so now if you check the overall file size, it's around 52 MB. So as you can see, 51.9 MB, that means it's around 52 MB files. So we gonna check that how many you have compressed. So I think it's around 24 MB or 22 MB. Okay, so for now I'm facing the slow internet problem, so that's why it's taking time to download the images. Well, we have downloaded. Okay, so let me create the folder. I'm saying WebP. Okay, now Control A, and now if I'm saying properties, as you can see, 15.7 MB, from 52 MB to 15.7. That means you can save up to 90% space without losing your quality. So this is the beauty of the Shakespeare.